This is the Nerf Rex-Rampage.
ToysRUs toy review.
This is the Nerf DinoSquad. I see the darts. They look actually very, very cool. Here's the scope. What? It has cracks on it. These are the darts. And this is the heavy Nerf blaster. Let's load this baby. I'm putting these Nerf darts in the magazine. Wow. This will take a while. Fast and Furious. Pew, 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 pew. 1, 2, and 3 times. And I'm reloading it. It's a dinosaur and it has so much darts and it has a scope. Right now I'm touching the dinosaur teeth. I'm going to demonstrate to press the buttons. See this tiny little one? That's how you motorize it. So you have to press this button at the same time before you try to shoot. Press this medium-sized button, then you can take out the magazine. This is very fun to play with. Pop that back in there. Ready to go. I'm demonstrating. Gotta motorize it. And pew pew. I'm storing the Nerf darts back in. It's actually very cool because I love dinosaurs. My most favorite one is the T-Rex. I like about it that it has a dinosaur face and it has 20 darts. That's a lot of darts. There's just so much stuff about it that I think my favorite part about it, why it's so fun, because it doesn't shoot too hard, but it does go far. This is a red eyeball. I don't know why it's red. Does he have pink eye? It has cracks on it. I think it's cracking itself up. Shouldn't we just cut this part out? It only took 20 tries.